Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to change Instagram notes colors on 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Instagram apps. Now tap one message. Now tap on your notes. Now you can add any color you want. Now tap BD. Now tap on share. Now tap on your notes. Now tap on leave a new note. Now type I love you. Now tap on share. Now tap on your notes. Now tap on leave a new notes. Now type Fuki. Now tap on share. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.